because it's only safer. Now that I switched to blue, I feel free to smoke almost anywhere. With blue, I take back my freedom.
Okay. Here's a little something for you sports fans. Never mind the show. That was an advertisement for Saggrits. I've been trying to get off the Saggrits. It ain't going too good. Here's your pack of cigarettes. Your ashtray, your cigarette, lighter, cigarettes. And it sports fans, just pisses me off when I realize how stupid the system is set up. Because on the one hand, think of this now. Bear with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. On the one hand, the government, the police, the government, the insurance companies, the system, they care about you so much. If you get behind the wheel of a car and you don't put your seatbelt on, they're going to catch you. They're going to pull you over. They're going to write you up a big ticket because you didn't have your seatbelt on. But as you're rolling down the window to talk to the officer about why he pulled you over, you might have a cigarette going, smoking away there. So I'm looking at my cigarettes. You see this here, feller? They put these scary ads on your cigarettes. I wish I had never started smoking. Look at the hole in his neck. It says here, I was diagnosed with cancer of the larynx when I was 40. So I'm so old I can't even read. 48. I had to have my vocal cords removed. And now I breathe through a hole in my throat. Leroy. There's from Leroy. And right down here in fine print, damn camera won't focus. Down here in the fine print it says right here. Right down here in this little Health Canada. See down here? Right down there by my thumbnail? You can't even see it. And they put a little girl there, the Export A girl. Health Canada. There's poor Leroy smoking cigarettes through a hole in his neck. And that's my problem. I can't get in my car without putting on a seatbelt. Boom, they're right on you. You're not wearing your seatbelt, you know, that's not safe. You could hurt yourself. But in the meantime, you got 2 cartons of these motherfuckers chooching away on them and saying, oh, that's not bad, that's bad for you, but we're going to keep selling them to you. Keep giving us 10 or 11 or 12 bucks a pack for your cigarettes. But by God, you better have your seatbelt on while you're chooching away on your cigarettes. You see what I mean? You can't drive your car without that seatbelt across your neck, choking you off. But they'll give you a whole handful of cigarette. Smoke all them, choke yourself off like that. I tell you it's bad for you. Look at old Leroy. Such hypocrisy. Fuck off, government. Just go away. Quit selling the cigarettes, then I'll quit smoking them. Bastards. 2 cents worth from the Ferd. Bye now. Back to the movie. Steven Seagal. I'm gonna kick the shit out of everybody here. I'm going to sit here and have a Saggrit. I know.